Hey, so we're gonna talk about the last assignment. So the first one is for the fog. So what we've done is pretty much added a struct for fog that covers color start range, and in the function I have added bool if you want the fog to appear or not. If it appears, we'll just enter those values, and it will pretty much run the code. So this you don't have to run every time, you just set it once and it should be good. And for the this is for our shader side of code, where we are passing this fog data and just pretty much adding into the initial world inverse and material data itself. And in the end, this is for the texture part, where we just adding the texture and then doing the lerp and just pretty much passing that value over. So just gonna run this code quickly. Also just gonna show the initialization. So this is our fog data. It's set to true right now, so just pretty much gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so we can see as we go further away, the fog shows up. If it's closer, it doesn't. Just want to change the size of the cube because the scaling is kind of messing with it. So there you go. Alright, so you can see the fog is appearing and disappearing if we go closer. We've done the same thing for color light one, where we just passing the light and doing the lerp, and same thing for the shader code of it, where we setting the fog if it needs to. Just gonna quickly hit false on the fog data and just gonna run it. Alright, as we can see, the fog is not gonna appear now. So that was for the fog. For the mirror, let's go set it up. So we have set the different states for it, for the blending and alphas and rasterization. The next part, what we've done is for the step one, we've set the shader texture light and the spotlight and the three objects, that's plane and the two cubes. The step two is pretty much setting up the mirror. Step three is where we multiplying everything with the reflection matrix. So all the world matrices will be including the spotlight parameters to reflection matrix are multiplied there, and then passing the high position in the reflection matrix as well. Once that's done, that's step four. We're pretty much gonna render the mirror again and then the plane. Just gonna run that real quick. Alright, so if you can see, the cube is lighting up, so you'll be able to see that now. Yeah, right there. So it's happening in the mirror as well. So that was for that. There was only one problem that I kind of encountered, was when the spotlights are running around on the floor. Somehow it's showing in different ways, probably because of some scaling, but I'll have to figure that out later. For the further work part of it, I have created a mirror class. It's just like a concept right now, but it is a destructor, a mirror constructor that passes device, model, and shader. Pretty much going to use shader color for now, but we can change it later. And there's like step 1, which probably not needed, step 2, which pretty much does most of the work. We're setting reflection and getting reflection matrix, and these are all the states that it holds currently. And there's like kind of some work that I passed into. There's like step 2, that is setting up the whole step 2 with the starting of the step 3 as well. And this is like creating states. All the states are being created. That is setting the reflection matrix with the mirror matrix, and then getting the reflection matrix back. So that was for the initial further work that I did so far. I haven't able to use it, but yep, that was it for this week. Have a good day.